Hello friends, welcome back to KDM channel, and today we are going to discuss duplication of DNA. Okay, it is part 2. First, you need to see part 1. Afterwards, you can understand the part 2. Okay, uh, if you see here, simply here double helical structure. First one. After next stage, old strand it divide into two new strands, and the old strand is continued to one strand, and next stage they became two new strands. Very easy. Double helix. First of all, it is like a double helical structure. Two strands open at one end, means the the new strands are open at the top. You see, and strand is produced against each simultaneously. Each new DNA contains one original strand and another new one. Each there are two new strands. No, in this one strand is original and another one is new one. The cell cycle go on endlessly. No, at some places it stops permanently. At some places temporarily, and at others till it is needed. What is saying these lines are saying means at some places it stops permanently. The cell cycle stops permanently in some places. At some places temporarily, at some places temporarily it works, and at others in the other places it works. The cell cycle works continuously till it is needed. The cell of the island's brain and the nerve cells or the cerebral cortex and the most muscle cells once formed in the embryo last a lifetime, but once dead are not replaced. Skin cells are replaced every 2 weeks. Yes, the skin cells are replaced by new cells in every 2 weeks. Okay, do you get it? Red blood cells last for about 120 days and are replaced. After 120 days, red blood cells are replaced by new cells. Okay, bone cells are replaced every 10 years or so in adults. After 10 years, the bone cells are replaced by new cells. Okay, then epithelial cells lining the gut lost only 5 days. After 5 days, they are also replaced by new cells. Liver cells are replaced every 1 to 2 years. Liver cells are replaced by 1 or 2 years. Okay. Next, cell division. There are two types of cell divisions: mitosis and meiosis. Okay, let's check mitosis. Mitosis is the cell division in which one parent cell divides into two identical daughters. Mitosis is the cell division in one parent cell, means that in one cell divide into two new cells. This is called mitosis. What is meant by meiosis? Leading to the production of haploid cells. Cell division. Meiosis leads to the production of which cells? Haploid cells, sperms or eggs. Okay. Let's check the mitosis. Okay. Mitosis is the cell division in which one parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Do you get here? We have discovered one cell, means the parent cell, divide into new cells. Okay, new two cells, daughter cells. Then the phases of meiosis. Mitosis is completed in two steps, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. In karyokinesis, there are also four stages. What are these? Prophase, anaphase, metaphase, and telophase. Let's see these four phases. Okay. Prophase, interphase. Here in the diagram was given. These are, you check these only. Okay. No visible change in chromosome, but activate synthesis of DNA is going on. No visible change in chromosome. No change occurred in chromosomes. Synthesis of DNA is going on. Means the production of DNA is going on. Okay. The prophase, animal cell and plant cell. Okay. Centrioles start moving apart and reach opposite poles. The centrioles are at the top of the nucleus. They will go and stand at the poles of cell. Okay. This is the prophase first point. Chromosomes become distinct. Means they condensed. Chromosomes are already duplicated as paired chromatids. They are duplicated. Sister chromatids attached to other at small region. Okay. Spindle fibers appear between daughter cells or centrioles, forming a chromatic spindle. Nuclear membrane and the nucleus disappear. Okay. Nuclear membrane disappears and the nucleus also. Let's next page. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up in one plane at equator. They line up in one plane, means in one line at the equator. Okay. Each chromosomes get attached to spindle by its centromere. Each spindle fiber is attached to centromere. What is meant by centromere? Where the two sister chromatids join is called centromere. Anaphase. Centromere attaching the two chromatids divides splits. The centromere spindle fibers are attached to centromere. No, they will divide into two chromatids. Divides. A furrow starts in a cell. You see on the top and the bottom, the small furrow are formed. Next, telophase. Two sets of daughter chromatids reach opposite poles. Centrioles and chromatids, spindle fibers. Okay. The centrioles also reach the two poles of a nucleus. Nuclear membrane is formed. Again, the nuclear membrane is formed. Furrow starts, means deepening the furrow, more furrow, and nucleoli reappear. Okay. Cytokinesis. The furrow deepens totally in animal cell and separates the two daughter cells. What will become? The furrow deepens totally and it became two. It made two daughter cells. Okay. Here completed. Next, meiosis. Here the significance of meiosis are given. Growth, repair and replacement. The table given below in animal cells and plant cells. We have to check that one. Okay, let's check. Asters are formed in animal cells. Asters are not formed in plant cells. Cytokinesis by furrowing. Means the furrow starts that will there in cytoplasm, but in a plant cell the cell plate formation. Okay, Occurs in most tissues, the spindle fibers are formed with the help of ashes. Spindle fibers are formed with the help of ashes and centrioles. But in plant cells, they are not present centrioles and ashes. But from where the spindle fibers are coming means with the help of microtubules. Okay. Then next, meiosis. Okay. Meiosis is the kind of cell division that produces the sex cells or gametes. It is the kind of cell division. It produces sex cells. It takes place in reproductive organs. It takes place in reproductive organs. What are the reproductive organs in humans? In males, testes, and females, ovary. Okay. The most significant aspect of meiosis. What is the most significant aspect of meiosis? Is that the number of chromosomes in the sex cells is halved. Number of chromosomes is halved. Okay. For example, the 23 pairs of chromosomes in humans, only single chromosomes, one member of each pair, are passed on to the sex cells. Okay. This is essential because when the male and female gametes fuse during fertilization, the normal double diploid cells number of chromosomes in pairs is required. The diploid number as a rule is expressed as 2n. The haploid as n. Next page. Significance of chiasma. Meiosis. Chromosome number is halved. Means the number of chromosomes are halved. And maternal and mixing of genes. Duplicated homologous chromosomes. Non-sister chromatids exceeding parts. Okay, that is only. And the crossing over chiasma. Let's discuss chiasma and crossing over. Chiasma, the point of attachment between two non-sister chromatids of a pair of homologous chromosomes formed during meiosis is termed as chiasma. The point of attachment between two non-sister chromatids. Here the point of crossing over. Here the two sister chromatids join attachment. No, they are attached. That point is known as chiasma. Okay, do you get it? Yes. The crossing over, the process of exchange of genetic material. The chiasma is there, no? The point. They will exchange each parts, yellow color to pink color and pink color to yellow color. This exchange of the process of exchange of genetic material during meiosis between non-sister chromatids of a pair of homologous chromosomes is termed as crossing over. Here in the diagram you can easily know how the crossing over take place. You can understand the differences between mitosis and meiosis. Okay, mitosis and meiosis, where it occurs. Mitosis occurs in cells, but meiosis in reproductive cells. What for? For growth, repair, replacement in meiosis. Mitosis. In meiosis, only for gamete formation. When it occurs, continues throughout life. Until we die, the process is continued in mitosis. Meiosis, only in reproductive active stage. Okay. Number of daughter cells produced, 2 daughter cells, and in meiosis are 4 daughter cells. Number of chromosomes passed on to each daughter cell. Full set of chromosomes is passed on, and in a meiosis only half of the chromosomes are transferred. Number of nuclear divisions are single nuclear division, but in meiosis 2 identical. Mitosis are identical, but meiosis are randomly assorted. Friends, if you like this video, please share to your friends. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and help me. Uh, I changed my channel into KDM because before it is Edu First. I changed into KDM. What is the meaning of KDM? Means King of Telugu Masters. Okay, friends, please subscribe and thank you for your patience and please support me. Thank you.